You have to discover for yourself what's true. So, see, if you ask me, hey, is such and such true? Well, do it and tell me. Find out, you see. This is the import. This is what you need to do, you see. And the only way you can really prove it for yourself is to get what internal dialogue is and stop doing it.
Right, but I just want to know if I'm going the right road.
We'll do it and we'll find out. We'll see what's at the end of that road. You see what I'm saying?
Yeah.
Yeah. Because the grasping, experiencing what it is very, very different than hearing about it or believing in it or finding an answer or working out logic or whatever. See? I mean, it's fine, those things occur, but that's different. If you have no internal dialogue, and have no internal dialogue, especially for a significant period of time, which, as you know, is quite difficult. See, so then you have to tackle, why is it difficult? I'm just talking to myself here. Why can't I shut the fuck up? See? So if you're just talking to yourself, then you should be able to shut the fuck up, right? See, and if you're not able to do that, then maybe it's more going on. Then you have to discover, what is that? What is that? And you can see that if you just stand on, this is just reality, you know, I'm talking to myself, it's, you know, this is the way things are, blah, blah, blah. You can't do it. You can't do it. You have to question the very foundation. Saying,
Well, I had that one time. I had an experience when I took acid and my inner dialogue was reduced, and I got fear that I'm going away, something like that. It was still there, but it was reduced.
yeah.
And I'm like, it felt like I'm going away. I felt like I am the internal dialogue.
Yeah. Okay. Good. Check it out some more. I mean, if that were true, right? If you are the internal dialogue, or if somehow you go away when there's no internal dialogue, or you're just like reduced internal dialogue, that would be a significant discovery, wouldn't it? You say, holy shit, my whole experience seems to depend on this stupid little fucking thing that I say, I'm just talking to myself. That would be interesting, yeah?
Yeah, even
You
if
want
it's
to discover.
Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah, because you know. There's more things in this world, Horatio, than, you know, you fucking know. But anyway, it's like, you work it, find out.
Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please consider joining a workshop. They're more powerful than you think.